back again. Today we're doing Starlet things. So I'll put that turbo kit on, which means pulling off the stock turbo setup. Once that's done, yeah, we'll continue on. I think we have to custom make cooler piping, but we'll find out. I'll give you a little look now because I've already done most of the boring stuff, but we'll just chop and change. Not so much of a long video. We'll just show cool bits. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we got Starlet. Stock turbo. It has the weirdest flange on the bottom of that I've ever seen, but it is the cat, so whatever. But we've already pulled the radiator out, pulled out all the cooler piping from this side, so that's all gone. Disconnected here. We just got to disconnect the water lines. I've already disconnected the oil lines. We were hoping to take it off as one, but there is a bolt right behind here that you won't be able to see because it is hidden like crazy. I'll try zooming in. There it is. That shit's impossible to get. So we have to split turbo. I've already got 3 nuts off. I'll get this guy off. Should be able to then drop it down, pull it out, and just go out the bottom. It's on the hoist, so it's easy. And then we'll access all the bolts, get the manifold off, and then we'll move on to the other bit. But what we did find, I wonder if I can get that on here. If any of you guys watch Juicebox For You, we found their favorite thing ever, spiders on an old Toyota. Look at that guy. He's definitely roasted. Cool, we'll get the turbo off. All right. Winner, chicken dinner. Look at the cobwebs. Look how easy that bolt is to get to. We can get that easy now.
Yeah.
Here's the trick, I don't know if you've seen it. You've got to tighten these nuts with a spanner. You can get them pretty tight with this, but we want a bit more leverage, so you double up the spanner. So you go on, we're pulling this way. So we go ring end through here. And it's a double-ended spanner. It just gives you more leverage to get it tight without as much effort. Tricky. You have to be very careful though, because it can go flying off. That's it. few days later. Had some stuff to do on that, so. But I thought because I'm still going to be working on the Starlet, we'll put it all together in one video. So it's a bit sunny. So today I'm going to go back to learning how to TIG weld. I picked up a touch start TIG for my MIG, and we're going to do that. So we'll make some cooler piping for the Starlet, and then we'll pull some bits apart. We've got paint now, all some other stuff that I need. So yeah, we'll just get going. Cool. Ready to cut. Ready to cut. So not bad. Still learning, but it's working. So we're getting there. Don't really have much room to work with, but from there we should be able to go straight to that silicone joiner here, and it should make up the difference. Gonna look good. So I got most of the cooler pipe done that I was making. It's all tacked together. I just need the silicone joiner for here, which will be 2" to 2.5. And then yeah, once I know that's in, I'll add a little bracket to the pipe to hold it in place, just to support it, because it's a little bit heavy but not too bad. But I just make it nicer, especially for this car's going to be daily. Yeah, once that's done, when I have the joiner, make sure it's all right, and then we'll finish weld it. I seem to be getting better at TIG welding, but it's just practice. So we'll try practice and tips from friends. So yeah, that's about all I'm going to do today on this. That's about all I'm going to do today on the Starlet, because I'm tired. Next time I'll probably come back and work on this a bit more. There's still some more to do. I got a 180 in for an alignment over there, but it's got stuffed rear LCA bushes, so we're going to swap them out. I might even film that, because that S chassis, that always happens. You lose the rear bush on the rear LCAs always wear out from bumps and stuff. It's good to watch. Douglas is here. He's about to attack me. Hello. Yeah, so I might show you that. We're probably going to put new bushes in it from GK Tech. Yeah, that'll be the next one, I guess. Cool. Douglas says hello. Douglas, you say hello to Douglas. Do you want to hug? Thanks. Okay. Yep. So yeah, we'll keep going with more stuff. No, we've got heaps to do. We're currently sort of in lockdown. Not properly. So, because the workshop is a big shed. I can get away with it because there's no people that come in unless they're dropping off the car. So, all right, thanks for watching. What else? Oh, today Torque Drift game came out on PC, so get on that. It's on Steam. You get the BRZ that I drive is a free car in it for early purchases, and I think the game's it's either $16 or $20. So yeah, check it out. I started playing it. Apparently steering wheel options are coming soon. So yeah, go to the Steam store and find it. Yeah. All right. Catch us all later. Have fun. See ya.